Hi everyone, this is Dr. Gunjan Goel. I'm working as senior consultant in Obs and Gynae in RV Healthcare, Sector 90, Gurugram. So I would like to introduce my colleague and my senior, Dr. Sameer Arora, neurologist in RV Healthcare, for further discussion on migraines and headaches during pregnancy.
Hello ma'am, hello everyone. Myself Dr. Sameer Arora, consultant neurology at RV Healthcare Sector 90, Gurugram. So we'll be discussing today regarding migraine and other headache disorders during pregnancy.
So sir, how often does the migraine occur during pregnancy?
Migraine is a lifestyle disease which usually occurs in females even before pregnancy, but during pregnancy the course changes. Like around 60% of the patients, they report symptomatic improvement during pregnancy, in particular during the first trimester. About 5% of the patients will report deterioration of their migrainous headaches during the pregnancy. Rest percentage of patients, they will have no improvement or deterioration during this headache during this pregnancy.
So according to you, what is the exact treatment of migraines and headaches, tension headaches, or any type of headaches during pregnancy?
See, in general, we divide these treatment into two parts. One is a preventive treatment and one is the acute treatment.
Okay.
Acute treatment is when a patient is suffering from the acute attack of headache. So, in general, the most safe drugs, paracetamol, acetaminophen, these are the drugs which are safely given in pregnancy. If required, then we escalate the treatment, but we would recommend that the patient should be in touch with the doctor before using any such drug. Then regarding the preventive treatment in migraines in particular is recommended whenever a patient has a frequency of headaches that exceeds once in a week, or when a patient wants, because of the severity of headache, when the patient is not able to carry out her routine activities of daily living. At that time, we recommend a preventive treatment. In particular, in preventive treatment, there are multiple drugs. In particular, first line drugs, there are beta blockers that we generally use, like propranolol, but these drugs do carry their side effects. And in a particular, and we can use other drugs like tricyclic antidepressants, amitriptyline can be used for the preventive treatment.
So can we give naproxen for migraine during pregnancy?
Yes,
Is it safe?
naproxen can be given, but it should be avoided in the last trimester, and particularly after 20 weeks, it should be avoided.
So what are the side effects of the drugs which are used to treat headaches and migraines during pregnancy on the fetus, and what are its long-term effects according to you?
In general, like I earlier said, that beta blockers can be used as a preventive treatment. Beta blockers carry certain side effects on fetus, like neonatal bradycardia, decreased heart rate. Then it can cause increased bilirubin levels, and then it can also cause some low sugars like hypoglycemic episodes in fetus. That these most of these events are transient. But some effects may be a little prolonged.
Okay, so we cannot say by specifically any side effects, so we need not get very scared regarding the side effects.
Yes, in general, see, maximum studies that have been done, they have concluded that these drugs can be given if required. See, we have generally said as our first statement that 60 to 70% of the patients, they will report symptomatic improvement. In such category, the patient may not require such preventive therapy. The only thing will be to use on as needed basis. You can just use a paracetamol tablet for your headaches.
That is all right. Paracetamol we use very often for all the type of pain ailments and all that, but still for on using naproxen and acetaminophen and all that, patients do get anxious about the side effects, and they keep on asking how can we detect such side effects in the fetus, and I would like to clarify more on this point.
See, in particular, you have to see, there are only very few particular drugs that are particularly teratogenic out of this entire list of preventive treatment, out of which valproate is one drug.
Okay.
Where you can just screen for the neural tube defects in fetus by the ultrasound.
So you mean to say no other drugs are very specific or very deleterious?
In particular, we will use, if required, we will use preferably beta blockers and other amitriptyline. These two drugs can be used safely, even in particular in pregnancy, during the course whenever
Obviously on the advice of neurologists.
Yes.
So last question but not the least is, can migraines start during pregnancy?
Yes, the answer is yes. You can see any patient developing a new onset headache or a atypical headache during pregnancy, the first thing to rule out is a preeclampsia, especially after 20 weeks. First rule out preeclampsia, that would be the help of history, examination, and some laboratory parameters. After ruling out preeclampsia, we find that the maximum out of the other headaches, 50% of these patients have migraine headaches, and other 50% will have other type of primary headaches like either tension type headache or cluster headache or any other primary headaches.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thanks.